Autumn is here, and with it comes the alluring hues of orange, brown, and gold. But as the leaves fall, we shouldn't let our savings do the same. Today, I'm sharing 25 robust frugal tips that will let you enjoy autumn to the fullest without digging deep into your pockets. Let's embark on this frugal journey. Tip 1. Autumnal Decor. Autumn brings nature's most exquisite art pieces. Collect fallen leaves, twigs, and acorns to craft exquisite home decorations. With a little creativity, your home can reflect the season's beauty with zero cost. Tip 2. Mastering the layer game. New season doesn't mean a new wardrobe. Layer your summer dresses with leggings, add a cardigan or a scarf, and you have a chic autumn outfit. It's all about mixing and matching smartly. Tip 3. The power of clothing swaps. Engage friends or community members and host a clothing swap. This way, everyone gets a refreshed wardrobe without any new purchases, emphasizing both sustainability and frugality. Tip 4. Soups, stews, and savings. Autumn veggies like pumpkin and butternut squash are not just delicious, but also budget-friendly. Create big batches of soups and stews and freeze them. It's a healthful and economical way to dine. Tip 5. Home insulation. Before the chill truly sets in, inspect your home for drafts. Small investments in insulating gaps can yield significant reductions in heating bills. Tip 6. Potluck Dinners, a frugal feast. Embrace the community spirit with potluck dinners. Sharing the responsibility of meal preparation ensures a grand feast with minimal expense. Tip 7. Bountiful local markets. Farmers markets during autumn are a haven for fresh and affordable produce. Buying local also supports community farmers, making it a win-win. Tip 8. Savvy sales shopping. Retailers often offer post-holiday sales. This is your chance to stock up on decorations and essentials for the next year at slashed prices. Tip 9. Mindful heating. Challenge yourself to delay turning on the heat. Use blankets, wear layers, and enjoy hot drinks. These small actions can accumulate significant savings. Tip 10. Harvest festivities on a budget. Partake in local harvest festivals. They often come with free activities such as corn mazes, hay rides, and apple picking, ensuring frugal fun. Tip 11. The perfect homemade latte. Those fancy coffee shop lattes can weigh heavy on the pocket. Try homemade versions using online recipes. You'll be surprised how much you save over the season. Tip 12. Energy audits. A game changer. Consider having an energy audit for your home. Detecting and addressing inefficiencies can prepare your home for winter and reduce energy bills. Tip 13. Craft your gifts. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. The festive season looms ahead. Use this time to handcraft gifts. Die gifts carry personal significance and can be tailored to the recipient, making them even more special. Tip 14. Nature's Fitness Studio. The autumnal backdrop is perfect for outdoor activities. Go for nature walks, hikes, or cycling. It's a fantastic way to stay fit without an expensive gym membership. Tip 15. Library treasures. Rediscover your local library. From autumn-themed novels to die craft books, the library provides a universe of knowledge and entertainment without a price tag. Tip 16. Pre-spring gardening. Autumn is the ideal time to prepare for spring blossoms. Planting perennial bulbs now is an economical way to ensure a vibrant garden later. Tip 17. Natural skincare magic. Create skincare potions using kitchen ingredients like honey, avocado, and oatmeal. These natural masks can be both pampering and cost-effective. Tip 18. Embrace public transport. Opt for buses or trains occasionally. Not only does it save on gas and parking fees, but it also extends the lifespan of your vehicle. Tip 19. Holiday preparations. Plan winter holidays in advance. Early bird flight tickets or event bookings can save a considerable amount. Tip 20. Indoor camping chronicles. Recreate the camping experience indoors. Stories by the fireplace, indoor tents, and home-cooked marshmallows can offer a unique and frugal family night. Tip 21. Thrift store treasures. Whenever possible, shop secondhand. Vintage autumn wear or decorations can add a unique flair to your style and home without heavy expenses. Tip 22. Crafting with kids. Engage your kids in crafting activities. Use fallen leaves for art projects, teaching them about nature and saving on expensive toys or craft kits. Tip 23. Efficiency matters. When considering appliance replacements, always opt for energy-efficient models. Their savings, in the long run, outweigh the initial cost. Tip 24. Declutter and Profit. Undertake an autumn cleanup. Sell items you no longer need on platforms like eBay or local garage sales, providing an income stream while decluttering. Tip 25. Mindful living. Embrace the season in its entirety. Enjoy nature walks, meditate among falling leaves, or simply savor a hot cup of tea on a cool evening. True richness lies in these simple, cost-free experiences. Autumn can be a season of joy, warmth, and frugality. By integrating these tips into your lifestyle, you can immerse in all the splendors of the season without the financial strain. Remember, frugality doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about making smart choices. Enjoy the golden days of autumn.